Hi friends, welcome to Sandar Maktak, our car, me Sharath from Kerala. Hello friends, today we can study about how to increase height of Maruti 800 leaf spring type suspension vehicle. So first of all we need to put jack and we need to hold two holes like this. See, we can fix jack on the rear axle and we need to remove the axle downside two holes and we need to fix the axle on the jack on the front side. Okay. For increasing height we need to remove the two leaf spring and we need to make bend for that two leaf spring. So we can start to remove first. This is the shackle unit of the leaf spring assembly. For expanding the leaf, that time the shackle will move like this, forward and downward. So first of all we need to remove these two bolts. This is 14 mm nuts and also there have a I-bush U-clamp. There was four nuts and there was a shock up also. See, for removing the leaf we need to remove the shackle bush and the, I already removed now these two bolts nuts and I removed the U-clamp also. This is the U-clamp. Sorry, not U-clamp, U-bolt. This is the bump stopper. It will touch the body. So next we need to we can remove this shackle. I already loosened that nuts. This is 14 mm nut. So this is I removed one side shackle. This is a shackle bush. This already wired. We need to change this also after fixing time. So we need to remove through that side. So already removed now. After removing this shackle we need to remove the I-bush. The I-bush is the front side. So this is the 70 mm bolt. I was going to remove like this from this side. For this work we need 4 holes. Otherwise we need some wooden piece. One hose is we need to keep this front side and another hose is the we need to keep back side for easy working. After removing the leaf set we can remove that back side axle hose. So now we removed already this two leaf spring. So this is the leaf spring of Maruti 800 old model type vehicle. So we need to make bend. So we can go for making bend on this leaf spring. So this is the height of now. We need to make more height. See, this is 9-inch height. So you can study how to make it bend. Now I will show you how to make it bend. See, like this. We can use with hammer on this side and the another side. Like this we can bend. Don't hit on the center on both side. Guys, this is my old video. Just I will translate the language just now. This is a old Malayalam video. Some of our subscribers don't know Malayalam, that's why I translate this like. So I think your people can understand my language. After checking this, we can check is it okay or not okay. The height will increase or not increase. We can check like this. See. Before that one 9 inch. Now this one more than 9 inch. After that work, I was going to change this shock up, this eye bush. 3 eye bush already oval. So I am going to fix the eye bush like this. After I see, that is the bush. Another one is the rubber bush, outer bush. Normally, when the normal work, we never change the bush without breakage. So now I already opened this one, that's why I am changing. So I am going to fix. First of all, I am going to fix the front side of the vehicle. It was a little bit difficult. We need to use screwdriver for aligning hole. So I already fixed. After fixing, I am going to tighten this. Don't use that ratchet for full tightening. It will make complaint for the ratchet. Always use T-channel T-handle for the full tight. After fixing that front side, I am going to fix the back side like this. We need to change that 4 bush also. After fixing the back side bushes, I am going to check the center if we can fix properly or not properly. Not. I am going to fix that U-bolt before fixing the back side shackle bush. After fixing the U-bolt, I am going to fix the shackle bush and shackle. See, I have already fixed that shackle and shackle bush. After fixing this all, we need to make all proper full tight. See, the shock up already weak. See that oil leak is coming out. That's why we are going to change the shock up. For changing that shock up, there have 2 bolts. That's 17 mm bolt. we can remove like this. So I already removed that downside bolt. After removing the downside bolt, I am going to remove the upside by using a ring spanner and box spanner. So I am going to fix the new one. This is a new one. I am using always jockey on the axle because it is itself very easy fitting. If I want to make up, the jockey will make up. If I want to go down, the jockey will scroll down like this. I can control jockey through the axle. So guys, this is the work for making up the vehicle on the backside for Maruti 800 leaf spring type suspension model. So see, now the height will increase already, more than 1.5 inch more than before. So I think your guys can do this like work easily. So if my video helps you for doing this work, please subscribe my channel and share for somebody, your friends. So thanks for watching my video. Share my channel for others. S&R Mactech, our car. If it's useful, share others.